Lorna Sullivan, and I'm excited to show you what I've just made. It's portable. You can put it in your purse, in your pocket. You can take it anywhere you want. So here we go. This is simply made with a little Velcro fastener, popsicle sticks attached by ribbon, and we have our shifter, which we can use multiple ways. You can even use it to just count. Move your eyes from one to the other because there's different colors. It's easy to use, easy to take with you, and all you have to do is roll it up and put it in your pocket. I put the little fastener on it so it would stay closed and not get caught up in everything. So that's what it is, the ribbon, popsicle sticks attached to the ribbon. And you can see that there's two popsicle sticks glued together to make your handle. Just roll it up. Actually, if I set it down, it would be easier to roll up, but you can just roll it up. Make sure that your fastener rolls up, put that around, and it attaches. Ta-da! Quick, easy, and portable. It's a great shifter. And Trisha Kirby, you may want to add one of these to your online store. Hope it helps. Bye now.